Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you will be updated on all my future content. So this video is going to focus on multi-digit subtraction that requires regrouping. Our model problem is 81,919 minus 50,575. I'm going to take you through step by step how to solve this problem. So for subtraction, we regroup whenever there is a bottom digit that is bigger than the top digit. So before I do any subtraction, I always look to see, is regrouping required? Now looking at this problem, in the 10,000s place, 8 is bigger than 5. No regrouping needed there. 1 is bigger than 0. No regrouping needed in the thousands place. 9 is bigger than 5. No regrouping needed in the hundreds place. 1 is not bigger than 7. You cannot start out with 1 and take away 7. So there is regrouping needed in the tens place. And 9 is bigger than 5 also. So again, no regrouping needed in the ones place. So the only place that needs regrouping for this problem is the tens place. And I like to do all of my regrouping before I do any subtraction. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a 10 from the hundreds place and add that to the tens place. So the 1 is going to become an 11. And the 8 and the 9 is going to become an 8. So we regroup by taking 10, adding 10, and taking away 1 from the place to the left. So now we're ready to subtract. 11 is bigger than 7. All the top digits are bigger than all the bottom digits. So we can subtract. So starting in the ones place, 9 minus 5 equals 4. 11 minus 7 also equals 4. Gonna make that 4 a little neater. 8 minus 5 equals 3. 1 minus 0 equals 1. And 8 minus 5, again, equals 3. And we have our final answer. 81,919 minus 50,575 equals 31,344. All right, I'm going to do one more problem, and then we're going to call it a video. Again, everybody tuning in, I appreciate you. Please hit that like button. All right. 37,453. Let me bring that minus sign a little closer. There we go. 19 minus 19,711. So again, before we do any subtraction, we start out by seeing if regrouping is needed. And we regroup whenever there is a bottom digit that is bigger than the top digit. So looking in the 10,000s place, no regrouping is needed there. 3 is bigger than 1. Looking in the thousands place, we do need to regroup. You cannot start out with 7 and take away 9. In the hundreds place, regrouping is also needed. You cannot start out with 4 and take away 7. 5 is greater than 1. 3 is greater than 1 also. So we need to regroup in the thousands place and the hundreds place. So we're going to do all our regrouping before we do any subtraction. So we regroup by adding a 10 from the place to the left. So we are going to add a 10 from the 10,000s place. The 3 is going to become a 2, and the 7 is going to become a 17. Now we're going to do the same thing. We're adding 10 to the hundreds place and taking away 1 from the thousands place. So the 4 will become a 14, And the 17, we take away 1, it becomes a 16. We add 10 and we take away 1. Those are the steps for regrouping with subtraction. So now, looking over all the digits, 2 is greater than 1, 16 is greater than 9, 14 is greater than 7, 5 is greater than 1, 3 is greater than 1. So now we're ready to subtract. Now, when we subtract, we always start in the ones place. So 3 take away 1, 3 minus 1 equals 2. 5 minus 1 equals 4. 14 minus 7 equals 7. 16 minus 9 also equals 7. And 2 minus 1 equals 1. And we have our final answer. 37,453 minus 19,711 equals 17,742. All right, that is my video for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video. And if there is an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments and I will do a future video on that skill. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri signing off.